Here at Acura Pickering, we have a Drive Shield certified 2019 Acura TLX Elite all-wheel drive. Here's a quick look at the exterior of the vehicle. Now let's take a look at some of the features inside. Starting with the driver's side door, we can see this vehicle has memory seat functions for 2 different drivers, power mirrors, locks, and all automatic windows. We have the power seating and lumbar support, full leather interior, sunroof up top, 5-passenger seating, and heated seats in the back. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. It has adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and a heated steering wheel. It's also got a built-in navigation system, our rear view and 360-degree camera. It has Bluetooth audio, USB and auxiliary inputs, AM, FM, and XM, CD player, heated and cooled seats, smartphone connection, a wireless charging pad, and many more great features.